Veronica, when is your baby due?
Next month.
Are you going on maternity leave?
Of course.
How long will you be gone?
3 months.
Do you have time for lunch?
No, I have a lunch meeting with the boss today.
The boss? Is something wrong?
No, we're going to discuss my raise.
Good luck.
Thanks, I'll need it.
I think the company is in trouble.
What kind of trouble?
Financial trouble.
What makes you think that?
I overheard Lou talking about bankruptcy laws.
We can't lose our jobs. I just bought a home.
I really like my work schedule.
Do you work flexible hours?
Yes, I can choose my own hours.
I wish I could work flexible hours.
Why don't you?
I can't. I'm in accounting, so I have to work regular business hours.
Do we have a company dress code?
Yes, on Mondays through Thursdays, we have to wear business attire.
What about Fridays?
On Fridays, we can dress casually.
What does casual dress mean?
You can wear jeans and t-shirts, but not shorts. Have you met the company's new CEO?
No, have you?
Yes, she's very nice.
Really? I heard she was very mean.
She asked us a lot of questions about employee happiness and concerns.
I heard if she doesn't like what you say, she will fire you.
Did Catherine have her baby?
Yes, she's on maternity leave right now.
How long will she be gone?
3 months.
That's all? That's so short.
I know. She's sad about it.
Is it paid maternity leave?
Yes.
That's good.
Catherine wants to take an extra month of maternity leave.
I'm planning our company's hospitality event.
What are you doing this year?
We've invited a couple of professional golfers. We're going to do a celebrity golf tournament.
Wow, that's going to be a lot of fun.
I just need to hear back from the golfers.
What if no one accepts the invitation?
Then I am in big trouble. How do you balance your work life and your personal life?
I don't bring my work home.
What do you mean?
Don't do more than you can handle.
What if you have a lot of work to do?
Then I stay at the office and finish it. When I go home, I focus on home only.
I wish I was like you.
I'm meeting with an architect today.
Why? Are you remodeling your house?
No, we are going to remodel the office.
That's a good idea. The layout is not very good.
I know. Some areas are too small and some are just a waste of space.
I agree. Can I get a bigger office?
What is the vacation policy?
You earn 1 week of paid vacation after you've been at the company for 1 year.
I've only been here for 9 months, but I would like to take 1 week off next month.
Is it a medical situation?
No, my parents live in Italy, and it's their 50th wedding anniversary.
You can take 1 week off with your supervisor's approval, but it will not be a paid week.
Gloria is stressed out.
Why?
The new CTO is visiting our office.
So, what's the big deal?
It's a big deal to Gloria. She's one of the managers.
Gloria is a great boss.
She wants to make a good first impression.
She hasn't met the new CTO yet?
No, this will be her first time meeting him.
No wonder Gloria is nervous.
This office layout is confusing.
I agree.
Our clients have a hard time finding the exit and our offices.
I know. Bill got lost the other day looking for the restroom.
Should we redesign it?
That would be a good idea.
I don't think we have the budget for it.
That's too bad.
But we should do something soon.
I know. The layout looks like a maze.
I think the company has finally made a profit.
That's great news.
We're all getting raises and bonuses this year.
That makes me very happy.
Me too. We haven't had raises in 4 years.
We've never had bonuses.
That's right.
If the company is doing well financially, we should definitely receive some benefits.
I agree. We work really hard.
Let's celebrate over drinks after work. I'm so busy.
Are you done with the report?
No, I've been in meetings all day.
That's why I haven't seen you.
Yeah, I have another meeting at 4 p.m.
Why do you have so many meetings?
The managers are discussing annual employee reviews and raises.
Is it that time of the year?
Yeah, the end of the year is always the busiest.
You're right. It's almost 4 p.m. You'd better go.
I'm so stressed right now.
Why? Is there something wrong?
I'm so busy at work. I'm forgetting about my personal life.
I understand. That happened to me too.
How do you balance it all out?
I just set a strict schedule. Work is work and home is home.
It's not that easy.
I know. But if you don't do that, you're going to get sick.
I think that's my problem. I feel sick all the time.
I think we should change the vacation policy.
Why?
Other companies have paid vacation. We do not.
We are a small company. We can't afford paid vacations.
Paid vacations would make employees work better.
How?
Give employees good benefits and they will work harder.
You have a point, but we cannot afford it.
This company is never going to grow if we don't take care of our employees.
I agree, but I don't make the rules.
Were you here yesterday?
No, I don't come into the office every day.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I just make sure I work 40 hours a week.
You're so lucky.
I know. My boss gave me a flexible schedule because I am a single parent.
You have a very understanding boss.
I know. I'm very lucky.
I would love to work from home. The traffic to work is terrible.
Maybe you should ask your boss about working a flexible schedule too.
Are you going to the hospitality event?
Yes, I have a few clients attending.
Great. This year we're doing a raffle and gift bags.
Raffle and gift bags? Isn't that a little childish?
The raffle prize is a sports car and the gift bags are filled with jewelry.
Are you serious? Can our company afford this?
The CEO wants to keep our clients happy.
That's definitely going to keep them happy.
It'll probably attract more clients to our company, too. Do we have a company dress code?
No, the president of the company doesn't care how you dress.
Really? You can wear jeans and t-shirts or shorts?
Yeah, he only cares about the quality of your work.
That's great. We had to wear suits to work every day at my old job.
Even on Fridays?
Yeah, our president was very conservative.
Was that uncomfortable?
Yes, wearing pantyhose every day is very uncomfortable.
I know.